Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how much protein on a high sugar diet. And today for my workout, I did a 3-mile run and then I broke my fast at about 1:45. So I just drank water throughout the morning, fasted, and then had my first food intake at 1:45. It was a smoothie. This was super delicious. So here's what I used. I used 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I used about a half a cup of almond milk. I used about a cup of coconut water. I used 1 ripe banana, a packet of acai, and 4 frozen ripe bananas that I thaw in hot water for 4.5 minutes. I just freeze them with the peel on. Has a good consistency doing it that way. And here's a smoothie, super delicious, made about 1.5 liters. So keep watching the video because at the end I'm going to go over the macros, the total protein, fat, carbs, and fiber and calories that I had for the day. My second meal was at 6 p.m. It was a big green salad. I had mixed greens, cucumber, apple, avocado, and carrots. And then at 7 p.m. I had dinner. I started off with a can of pineapple. It was super delicious. And then I had this homemade veggie curry. It had beans, tofu, spices, tomato sauce, and I had that over rice with a slice of seeded Dave's bread with strawberry jelly on that. And I had some of these Simply Real, really real gummies for dessert. They're sort of these little fruit snacks that are more on the healthy side compared to regular candy. So that was it. The totals for the day, I had 2,500 calories, 404 grams of carbs, 61 grams of fat, 45 grams of protein, and 59 grams of fiber. So this was a little on the lower end. I normally eat somewhere between 2,500 up to 3,500 calories a day, depending on the day. It does vary, typically eating between 40 and 80 grams of protein. So that can vary a little bit. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. It's in the description box below the video. It has some delicious recipes that I make on a regular basis. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.